A capacitor is an electrical component that stores electrical energy in an electric field. It is made up of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. The amount of electrical energy that a capacitor can store is determined by its capacitance, which is expressed in farads, F. Capacitors can be used in a variety of applications, including power supply filtering, signal coupling and decoupling, and energy storage. They are commonly used in electronic devices such as televisions, radios, computers, and smartphones. There are several different types of capacitors, each with its own unique set of characteristics and applications. Some common types of capacitors include 1. Electrolytic capacitors. These are polarized capacitors with a large capacitance per unit volume. They are commonly used for applications such as power supply filtering, coupling and decoupling, and energy storage. 2. Ceramic capacitors. These are non-polarized capacitors with a small capacitance per unit volume. They are commonly used for applications such as decoupling and bypassing, as well as resonance circuits. 3. Film capacitors. These capacitors are made using a thin film of insulating material, and are commonly used for applications such as coupling and decoupling, power supply filtering, and EMI suppression. 4. Tantalum capacitors. These are polarized capacitors with a high capacitance per unit volume. They are commonly used for applications such as power supply filtering, energy storage, and decoupling. 5. Aluminum electrolytic capacitors. These are polarized capacitors with a large capacitance per unit volume. They are commonly used for applications such as power supply filtering, coupling and decoupling, and energy storage. 6. Supercapacitors. These capacitors have a high capacitance per unit volume and are commonly used for applications such as energy storage, backup power, and power smoothing. Each type of capacitor has its own unique set of advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of which type to use in a particular application will depend on the specific requirements of that application.